Welcome to Superlift Garage Door Openers. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup and operation of your Superlift SDO-3 garage door opener. We'll cover the buttons, what to touch and what not to, how to code and delete remotes, and how to disengage and engage the motor to open the door by hand. The buttons are located on the front of the unit. The large black button in the center of the motor is the run button to open and close the door. The only other button you need to touch is the code button for coding new remotes, which we'll cover in the next chapter. It's important not to touch any other buttons, as doing so may require support to fix. To code a new remote, press the code button. You'll see the display change. On the remote, press the button you wish to code twice. The display will flash, then return to standby. The remote is programmed successfully. Test the remote to check the door opens. Repeat these steps for all other remotes. The opener can store up to 20 remote codes. To delete all codes, press and hold the code button for 8 seconds until DL appears on the display. Release the button. All codes are now deleted. In case of a power outage, you can disengage the motor to open the door by hand. To disengage, gently pull down on the red disengage cord until you see the lever click open. The carriage is now disengaged from the belt. You can open and close the door by hand. For security, you can still lock the door closed by gently pulling the red cord to close the lever. There are punched holes in the rail to stop the door from opening. To re-engage the motor, make sure the lever is open in the disengaged position. Open the garage door by hand to a position approximately 1 meter off the ground and in a balanced position. Using the red cord, close the lever into the engaged position and press the open button on the remote. After a short time, the opener will self-engage into the carriage. If it doesn't engage the first time, press the remote again and it will engage on the second pass. Your garage door motor is now engaged and ready to operate with the remote. For more information on this and other Superlift products, check your manual or visit our website.